Ask me a question about customer experience or Zendesk and I will answer it in a video. Hi there customer experience community, this is Dominic, welcome to another video. Today we're going to answer some questions from the community. I made a post and I'm going to show you here the graphic. With this post, I gave you the opportunity to ask a question about customer experience or Zendesk, and I would answer in the video, and here it is. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Dominic. I'm a customer experience enthusiast, Zendesk consultant, 10 years of experience with Zendesk. I had over 300 projects, we're close to 350 now. Bunch of logos here with all the experience and customers we worked with, and here to bring you value. So first question is from I am Nick, and he asks, what does Zendesk offer in terms of API and how well is the voice system performing, voice quality and management? I do want to integrate it with Zoom if possible. It will be a huge plus. I'm currently on Freshdesk and the call quality is bad. Okay, so I did some digging into Freshdesk and they have their own built-in system for calling, so it's nothing relatable, a call system which is internationally known, so it's something internally developed by them, but they also integrate with third-party systems, not Zoom. Now Zendesk uses Twilio as a telephony system. With Twilio, you know, it's worldwide renowned and it has numbers in all the countries in the world and it works really well. It's a VoIP, so voice over IP. So essentially you get a number, but you call over the internet. I'm not here to tell you like Zendesk is the best in its telephony system, but Zendesk has created a telephony system for you to use and it's ready-made and has good reporting. However, it does offer you the ability to integrate with any other third-party telephony system that you want. So any phone system that you can think of, you can bring it across in Zendesk. Most of them have an integration already with Zendesk. If it doesn't, if it's something local from your country, it might not be there, but it can be integrated. It's something that we do offer as a service, so we can integrate with other systems, and we're very good at it actually. Now, integration with Zoom, it's not existent in Zendesk, at least not yet. So Zendesk Zoom integration, so you're probably thinking of offering video support, which would be amazing. I actually thought about this a number of years ago. So I was scoping out to build an app to do this exact thing. Now the problem came with, what do you do with the video? Because if it's a video recording and you want to keep it on your server somewhere, you know, you're liable to the customer because the customer has not only their voice but their face, their body, everything on that video, and people are uncomfortable with that. So it was a problem, like how long do you keep it on your server? The concerns were about privacy. I don't know where it's at right now, but I don't necessarily imagine it's easier. The laws for privacy have not necessarily been lessened. Actually, quite the opposite. They have been even more rigorous right now. I don't know if this is still possible. It probably is for you, but if you want to do this integration, it can be done. Problem is, your responsibility to your customers, especially if you're a bigger company, is going to be great. So you have to have a pretty solid terms and conditions that nobody reads, but then somebody does read it and then you become the devil. So no. Or I wouldn't go down that route. Or maybe you do. If you do, hit me up. We interrupt this program to give you a word from our sponsor, which is Roka.work. If you want to borrow somebody else's 10,000 hours of using Zendesk and having done over 300 projects from a Zendesk Premier partner, then hop on to this link, roka.work/offers. Any service that you need with Zendesk, how that would look like for you as a ballpark from an expert, somebody that's been doing this for a decade. Once you hop on the website, on the offer page, we'll ask you how many agents you have and what kind of service you need, and we'll give you a ballpark and what that looks like. If that interests you, then we'll ask for more information and you'll be able to get an official offer from me. And yeah, we can take the discussion from there. Now with any of our implementations, because we have so much experience, you'll be able to leverage all Zendesk functionality. You'll be able to look at the right reports. You'll be able to make sure that you're using Zendesk with maximum capacity, get management off your back. You'll be able to have a productive team and you'll be able to have fast responses. You'll be able to get back to your customers faster, which increases your customer satisfaction, and you'll make sure that Zendesk doesn't crash when you change something. So yeah, I'll see you on the other side and roka.work/offers, and yeah, we'll take it from there. Bye. All right, so next one is from Vital Generation 3827, and they ask, is there an elegant way to combine Zendesk with an AI chatbot and create only when necessary a ticket for leads or customers, for example, if they want a refund? So I asked for more clarification. I said, do you want to have a ticket created for leads or order only, or these to be created and then you process them? And then they get back to me and say, no, I get a lot of questions, 80% are random. which an AI could handle. The rest more specific, like about refunds, etc., which I have to deal with manually. Okay, it would be cool when you can filter the tricky 20% of answers so that AI can dodge the rest, which will lead in more sales because the response will be quicker. Okay, so yes, definitely this is possible. With the help of Flow Builder, you can easily create flows in order to guide the user to wherever you want. This gives you a bit of homework to think about the structure that you want to have a user navigate through your Flow Builder. And I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you real quick how you can go about that. Okay, so let's see. Channels, go to messaging, go to channels, then I go to bots and manage bots. And I go to a bot, whichever one, and I say create an answer. These are some presets for you that you can use, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to build an answer. So answer name, differentiate leads. Next, training phrases, I need to buy offers, let's say. Next. Okay, now what I do is, this is back to what I was saying of you having to do a bit of due diligence of very well structuring how you want your user to navigate through these flows. So look, I'm going to go to add step and I'm going to present options. So I'm going to say, are you interested in buying something or just browsing? I want to buy. I need general information. I want to buy. Okay, in this case, I'm transferring them to an agent directly. Hi, someone will be right with you. Okay, I can add a tag, etc. But in here, I need more information. I can just show a help center article. So if you're not familiar, help center article is where you keep your knowledge base, questions and answers, like where's my order or how do I change my password? You create an article in your knowledge base and then you use that in here. So let's see, here is a good read for you. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go preview. So look, this is what the preview looks like. So are you interested in buying something? I want to buy. I need general information. I want to buy directly. It will put you in touch with you who will be answering this, right? So directly guiding the user to you to receive them and maybe make a sale. In the other scenario, you just go back and I say, I need general information, and I see this article and I read it. View article takes me to the article, I read it, and that's it. And now we have a third question from our mystery visitor. Did Zendesk follow up on the AI trend and deliver on it? Zendesk did definitely follow the AI trend because, you know, it was trendy, and why not? It is the future. Did it deliver? Yes, it did. So what it did is initially it rolled out some AI integration advanced bots, as it's called, feature. So the AI trends, as you know, there was a joke running around like, what is faster, the speed of light or the speed at which consultants on AI are appearing? I argued that at that time, at the beginning of the year, seemed like the speed at which that was faster was definitely consultants, AI consultants appearing. So Zendesk did follow up on that. They created this advanced bot, which is an integration with ChatGPT. It helps the agents give more contextual answers, and it helps them with their productivity and, to give more formal answers or more informal, or, make it friendlier, etc. So it can create macro suggestions for your admins to create macros for your agents and so on. So it did follow up on that, and it did implement it. They have yet to actually create an integration with ChatGPT that gives answers directly to customers without agents' input. That's delicate because you don't want to roll out something that will spoil your interaction with your customer, because ChatGPT is good, it's great, but it won't necessarily give out like the greatest answer always. So you still want to have that human oversight for these things. Yeah, so there we go. These are answers to your questions. I hope you like these answers. Ask me more questions in the comments. I will answer them whenever I can. Only 7% of you are subscribed to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe if you haven't, or consider subscribing. I hope you like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.